Are you tired of constantly swapping out batteries in your wireless mouse? I was too, until I found the sleek Arctic Fox transparent wireless mouse. I snagged it on Amazon for 699 rupees and it's available in bean grey, space grey and other color variants, which are not available on any e-commerce website. In today's video, I'll be giving you my honest first-hand review so that you can decide for yourself whether you should buy it or not. Let's jump right in. The unboxing experience is minimal, but I like the packaging quality. Inside this box, I received this mouse and about a foot-long Type A to Type C charging cable, which doesn't feel very useful to me. They didn't send the user manual, but if you turn the box like this, you will see a QR code that can be used to download the user manual from Arctic Fox official website. I like this strategy. It's a good way to save paper and bring your customers back to your website once again. Okay, back to the mouse. It's a space blue transparent wireless mouse with a beautiful internal design. Also, you will see this beautiful Arctic Fox branding with breathing light effect. However, it's worth noting that the transparent surface, while sleek and modern, is prone to scratches. So a bit of extra care is needed to keep it looking pristine. You can remove this cover like this and take this dongle out of here, then put the cover back. You don't have to do anything because it's magnetic. Now on the back side, you can see two buttons. The first is a sliding power button and the second is a mode switcher, which lets me toggle between 2.4 GHz for dongle use and BT1 or BT2 for Bluetooth connections. These modes allow me to connect 3 different devices with this mouse and use them by pressing this button. Due to its advanced 5.1 dual Bluetooth chip, I can control my laptop from about 10 meters away. You can easily use Windows, Android and iOS devices with this mouse. Talking about the performance of this Arctic Fox transparent wireless Bluetooth mouse. After connecting this mouse, you might feel this mouse is too fast or too slow. But don't worry, this happens due to the different DPI settings. The DPI is called dots per square inch. If your mouse has more DPI, it will be more responsive and less DPI will result in slower movement. And here's something I really love about this wireless mouse. It offers 4 DPI levels ranging from 800 to 2400 dots per inch. What's cool is that the Arctic Fox logo on the mouse changes colors based on the DPI settings you choose. At 800 DPI, it glows a bold red, giving you the precise control for tasks like detail editing. When you bump it to 1200 DPI, it shifts to green, perfect for everyday office work. Need a bit more speed? At 1600 DPI, it turns blue, making it ideal for those quick browsing sessions. And when you're ready to dive into some serious gaming, crank it up to 2400 DPI and the logo shines in a striking purple. These different sensitivity levels mean you can personalize the mouse according to your needs. Whether it's crunching through spreadsheets, immersing yourself in a gaming session, editing videos, this transparent rechargeable mouse handles everything effortlessly. In my experience, even during intensive video editing, it was smooth and responsive, making the whole process feel seamless. Moreover, it has one special feature that you're really going to love. It's called the boss key. This key minimizes all the open windows on your laptop, which is quite helpful while playing your games on your laptop. If you're enjoying this video so far, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Gizmo Rush. Now, let's talk about its battery life. One of the features that I appreciate the most is the Type C charging support, which means you can use your phone's charging cable to power it up, which reduces the need for a separate cable. Arctic Fox claims a solid 30-day battery life on a single charge, and it only takes about 2.5 hours to fully charge. When I first connected the mouse to my laptop, it showed 64% battery, with the indicator displaying 3 out of 4 blue LED lights. I've been using this mouse intensively for the last 2 to 3 days, and despite all the clicking and scrolling, I've barely managed to drain 8% of the battery. The battery indicator still shows 3 lights, so it's clearly holding up well. It's nice to know that I won't have to worry about constantly recharging it, even with heavy use. That's all for today's video. Arctic Fox transparent wireless Bluetooth mouse truly stands out with its sleek design, versatile connectivity and impressive battery life. Whether you're working, gaming or video editing, its customizable DPI settings and color-coded indicators ensure that you have the perfect control for every task. The boss key is a handy feature that adds extra convenience, especially for gamers. Plus, with the added detail of Type C charging, you can easily keep it powered up without any hassle. If you're looking for a reliable and stylish mouse that delivers on performance, this one is definitely worth considering. If you like this video and found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Gizmo Rush and click on the bell icon to get the latest updates from us. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you guys next time.